Siddharth from class 8, now doing some UK question. Question goes to class nursery. What is the color of brinjal? I repeat my question. What is the color of brinjal? Person is the right answer. How many legs do octopus have? 8 is the right answer. My third question goes to class UKG. How many semi-vowels are in the alphabet? Name them. I repeat my question. How many semi-vowels are in the alphabet? And name them.
कौन सा ए ई आई अरे नहीं दो है
Two and W are the right answer. My question goes to class 1. What is the full form of DM?
डिस्ट्रिक्ट मिनिस्टर हाँ
District Minister is the wrong answer. District Magistrate. My fourth question goes to class 2. How many players are there in a team of Kabaddi?
क्लास 2
I repeat my question. How many players are there in one team of Kabaddi?
हाउ मेनी प्लेयर्स
7 is the right answer. My sixth question goes to class 3. How many players are there in one team of Kotto?
जो क्लास के रिपोर्ट है वही बोलेंगे दूसरा बोलेगा
The right answer. Question goes to class 4. What is the standard unit of weight? Gram is the right answer. My question goes to class 5. What is the current Secretary General of United Nations? Current Secretary General of United Nations. This question passes to class 5 to 8. Antonio Guterres is the right answer. My ninth question goes to class 4. Who is the current Chief Minister of New Delhi?
क्लास 6
Rekha Gupta is the right answer. My 10th question goes to class 7. Who is the current chairman of RCC?
क्लास 7
I repeat my question. Who is the current chairman of RCC?
क्लास 7 बताओ
Yes, sir, is the right answer. My 11th question goes to class 8. What is the full form of FIFA? I repeat my question. What is the full form of FIFA? Federation International Team Football Association is the right answer. My 12th question goes to class 9. What is the literacy rate of India in 2025? I repeat my question. What is the literacy rate of India in 2025? This question passes to class 1 to 9.